Hello everyone, take the top section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, then make 2 sections out of the hair, add 2 rubber bands in the middle as such, make 2 braids out of it, spread it out and then wrap 1 braid over the other as such. Once you wrap it around, pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Wrap the second braid around it as well and then use a bobby pin in order to do so. Take the left section of the hair, wrap it around the top braid and then do the same with the right section. Now on either side of it and the front, add these decorative pins all about. Next, take the top section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, divide it into 2 portions and then wrap 1 portion around into a bun as such. Now with the rest of the hair that is present, take another small section of it and then wrap it around the initial bun you've created. Taking the rest of the hair as well, make another bun out of this and then taking the rest of the hair, pin it up in place using bobby pins as such. This is what it should look like. Now take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, pin it up about the bun that you've created. Now add decorative pins underneath as such. Next, take the top section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, make a small bun out of it and then taking the remaining portion of the hair, make 2 braids out of it, wrap it around the bun that you've created. After this, take the excess amount of hair, insert it underneath and pin it up in place. Spread out the top portion of it, use a decorative hair stick in order to keep it in place. Take a section of the hair from the left side, then twist it around the bun at the top, do the same out of the section of the hair taken on the right side as such. Use bobby pins to fasten it in its place. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, small ones, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Add decorative pins on top of all of this. Tie a ponytail to the hair, make 2 braids out of this ponytail. Now spread out these 2 braids. After that, lift it up and tie it up as such. Now use 2 hair sticks on either side to make it stay in place and then remove the rubber bands that you've created. Then tie it up into 1 ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, wrap it up through the top as such, tie up the excess amount of hair present at the bottom and then pin it up in place underneath as such. Now use a decorative hairpin at the top of it. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Take a small section of this ponytail, tie a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself as such. Afterwards, lift the hair upwards as such, tie a rubber band at the base and tighten the hair as such. Take 2 sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself twice, then tie it underneath it. Take 2 more sections of the hair, roll it in on itself twice, pull it through the top as such. Repeat the step 2 or 3 more times and then finally do it at the top as such. Make a braid at the bottom, roll it upwards and this is what you should be left with. Next, take this expandable rubber band as such with multiple pins, then tie a ponytail out of the hair, wrap this around the ponytail as such and then pin it up on either side. Now constantly remove either side of it to include more and more sections of the hair as you continue with making a knot out of the ponytail section that you have taken. Do this until all of the sections of the hair are done with and wrapped around. As for the last bit of it, you may tie bobby pins to keep it in place and insert it underneath as such. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Then take this hair stick, take a small portion of the hair, now wrap it around from bottom to the top as such, and then circle it and then tie it up in place. After you do so, adjust the hair into it and then wrap it around. With the rest of the hair that is present, make a braid out of it, loosen the size of our braid using your fingers. Roll it upwards into a circular shape as such, pin it up in place using this decorative pearl. Next, we'll use this hair snake and then afterwards, using the hair snake as one of the sections, begin to make a braid on the side as such. You may move it as you please. Now continue to make a normal braid on the side as you progress with it. Make sure you do so until you reach the bottom. Now tie a rubber band midsection, tie it up at the back. Taking the rest of the snake, tie a knot out of it as such. Twirl it up at the top and then leave it twirled at the bottom as well. You may adjust it however you want it to look. Thank you for watching.